Hey guys, I hope that you are having a wonderful Saturday or Sunday. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment, and don't forget to ring the bell so that you guys know that I upload every so often. I haven't uploaded for 2 weeks. It's been a while, I know. I'm gonna try to upload as much as I can and be more on here, so bear with me. So the giveaway is in the description. It's a gift card from Ulta or Sephora, and the rules are very simple, so that's all you have to follow. It's in the description, and let's get into the video.
Bebecita, 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 what is ours is a secret, nobody gotta know. I always come to you when you come to me. We told the world we were friends and kept us on the low. I used to be alone in my bed and now I got you with me. What is ours is a secret. We always see each other and everyone hates on us, but we don't care. And you make me go crazy, yeah. With you I feel so good, yeah. Nobody will ever know that you are my wife. Nobody wanna see us together, but we're gonna hide. I love you so much, I wanna hold your hand. Baby, it's 4 in the morning, it's never too early for sex. When I'm with you, I feel alive, and we're always together. Secrets will always come out sooner or later. What is ours is a secret. We always see each other, and everyone hates on us, but we don't care. And you make me go crazy, yeah. With you I feel so good, yeah. And nobody will know that I am your man. Nobody wanna see us together, but we're gonna hide. It's impossible to mistreat you, but in bed I mistreat you. I'm a prisoner to your body. Baby, you are mine, I don't share. Don't mind getting it on anywhere. Impossible celibacy, without you I'd kill myself. Baby, you are mine, I don't share. We are a pact until death. Don't mind getting it on anywhere. Bebecita, bebecita, what is ours is a secret. Nobody gotta know. I always come to you when you come to me. We told the world we were friends and kept us on the low.